Hi friends, this video shows how to manually start recording a call during phone call. Let me open this phone app. Tap on this phone app icon. Then dial one number. Please wait. See, call is connected. Then tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on record call. See, call recording has been started. This way we can manually start recording a call during phone call. Next I will show you how we can stop this recording. Again, tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on stop recording call. Done. Let me disconnect this call. Next I will show you where we can find this record call. Go to My Files app, tap on this icon. Go to internal storage. Go to recordings. Go to call. Here you can see all recorded calls. From here you can play, delete or share. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.